Alright friends, welcome back to another unboxing. I'm checking out the Vooza wireless car charger. And it's a mount also, so automatic clamping. 10W 10 watt QI quick charging. So it works for iPhone X, XS, Max, XR, Samsung, and those types of phones. Let's check out what's in the box here, shall we? This is an unboxing after all. Okay, I just trimmed my nails, of course, making it difficult to get in here. Alright. I have an LG Thin Q7, so I'm not, after kind of reading this, I'm not sure if it's going to charge on this or not. I'll have to look into that a little bit. Okay, so that's that in the box. What dropped out the bottom was a USB cord. Here's the wireless charger user's guide and Vooza Tech card. Pretty cool. Alright, and here we have, what's this first item here? So this is an adjustable part to hold the phone. See, this is our suction cup, and this is an adjustable. Okay, so that comes out here. Interesting. Okay, so that's fully adjustable, looks like, for pretty much almost 180 degrees of turning there. Oh, is this for probably just putting in the vent itself, maybe? I'm not sure. I might have to look at the instructions if I can't figure it out. But alright. And here is the wireless charger. Okay. Alright, that comes apart to grab your phone in there, and it just goes back together. So just in and out. Where does it plug in at? I'm trying to find where the USB is at. Oh, didn't see it right down there in the bottom. So in order to plug this into my phone, actually into the charger, I'm going to need the fast wireless car charger. So it comes with, need a Qualcomm quick charging adapter needed for fast wireless charging. Okay, that does not come with that, unfortunately. So that's that for this. I believe this can just, if you want to stick this in there, just put it in there and then tighten that down, and that'll stick in there like that. So that's different ways to hold the phone on there. I can open this up slowly, see if it holds my phone all right though. Oh yeah, that looks good. It's not going anywhere. So that's that. We'll be doing a review here later on, so thanks for watching this unboxing, my friends, and we'll see you next time. Everyone have a great day out there. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to check this out on Amazon.